71% of Bexar County residents are now fully vaccinated against COVID-19. That's according to Metro Health. But officials continue to work to connect people in areas where we're seeing lower vaccination rates. Eyewitness News reporter Zach Briggs shares how one woman was convinced it was time to get the shot.
I didn't think it was so serious until it actually hit us.
Exactly 2 weeks ago, Angelica Gutierrez felt the pain of losing a loved one to the coronavirus. This was her grandmother, 65-year-old Isabel Caprieles.
She was on a ventilator for almost a week, and they disconnected her, and she only lasted approximately like 30 minutes, and she passed.
Caprieles was not vaccinated. The virus also impacting Gutierrez's father, mother, and sister, but not nearly as aggressive as her grandmother. Gutierrez has since made a promise to get the shot for her family.
I myself, my family, my husband, my girls, we're glad we haven't gotten COVID, even though my parents have gotten it.
Metro Health's Miguel Cervantes says the city is focused on educating marginalized communities and areas with low vaccination rates, as shown on this map.
We typically look at those zip codes that have an uptake of less than 50%, and those are the ones that we try and increase the number of pop-up clinics at.
Organizations like Beat AIDS Coalition Trust helping to vaccinate the unvaccinated by going door to door, talking with those on the streets.
We're out on bikes and cars and phones and texts and emails 24/7. Trying to get people gathered to the nearest vaccination site.
Joey Holt admits they're not always successful in convincing people to attend one of the pop-up vaccine clinics. She's heard many reasons.
Conspiracy theory-like reasons. And then we just try to present the facts that the science-based facts that we have gathered.
Gutierrez, initially vaccine hesitant, plans on getting her second dose in a few weeks.
I hope, everyone takes this seriously. It's something that no one should, joke around with.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.